Hello friends, how are you? So today we are going to continue with the previous video that we did, and that was based on the topic that has been taken from your book Marigold Class 4 NCERT from the chapter A Watering Rhyme. So how is this related to watering rhyme? Because in watering rhyme we talked about the thirsty roots, and in this video we are talking about parts of a plant. So we have already done this, that we know these are the parts of plant: roots, stem, leaf, fruit and flower. So now we were discussing the importance of these parts. We have already discussed the importance of roots and stem in the previous video, and if you have not seen it, please go watch that first and then come to this video. In today's video we are going to discuss the importance of these three parts, that are leaf, fruit and flower. So these parts are also equally important as stem and roots. Why are they important? What are their roles and why are they so vital? Let us get into that. So the first will be importance of leaves. So leaves come in all shapes and sizes. It depends upon the requirement of the plant. So these are the different shapes of leaves, and there are more number of leaves present in the environment. So let us see what are leaves and why are they so important. So leaves are important because leaf prepares food for plants by the process of photosynthesis. So they take up carbon dioxide and heat from the sun and they convert it into their food. So leaf prepares food, and the process by which they prepare food is known as photosynthesis. So that is the major importance of the leaves. Next importance is plants breathe through leaves. Yes, we have already talked about the process of photosynthesis, in which the leaves take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, right? And that is when the leaf prepares food in the presence of sunlight. But what happens when there is no sunlight? That means at night they breathe through leaves, they take in oxygen and give carbon dioxide during night. Okay. Next is leaves also release excess water. So all the excess water that the plant has is also released into the environment through the pores that are present in leaves, and this process is known as transpiration. Let's move on to importance of flowers. So these are very beautiful flowers. Flowers are very important to plants, and why are they? Let's see that. First importance is reproduction. Flowers are the reproductive structures in plant and lead to formation of fruit and seed after fertilization. So fertilization is a process of making seed, and how we get fruit? Fruits we get from flowers. Flowers are turned into fruits, and they are important for the reproduction of plant. Next is there's a source of food. Many insects for many insects, flower acts as a source of food as it provides nectar. For example, honeybees, they collect nectar from the flowers. So they are also act as source of food for insects. Next is importance of fruits. Why are fruits important for plants? First is a fruit protects the immature seeds from animals and extreme climatic conditions. So we all know what is present inside the fruit. Seeds are present. So this seed is protected by the fruit so that animals would not eat it and extreme climate could not affect it. Next is it stores food material. So all the food material, extra food material is stored in the form of fruits. As we can see in this tree, the tree is loaded with fruit. Next is it attracts animals that help in dispersing or scattering the seeds to distant places. So many animals come and eat the fruit and take the seeds with them and then disperse it to distant places, which in turns results in growing of the plant. So these were the importance of fruits, flowers and leaves. So we are now done with parts of plant and their importance as well. We'll meet next time with another fun activity, poem or story. Until then, bye bye.